Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today I've got a couple things I'd like to show you. First off is a new to me gel polish from the AliExpress store DIY Nail Arts. This is MOMO gel polish, Coca-Cola red. I've already pre-done up a few designs for you. The first one is with this color, and I just put a few stickers on and gems on, so I didn't think you'd want to just see that. It's got a nice square lid that you can remove the lid if you'd like. Look at this gorgeous red. It really does scream Coca-Cola red. And since the lid are removable, you could use the handle if you wish. But I'm kind of getting used to the square lids. And then I have, I believe it's called, I have the blues for red. This one just didn't come with a label on it. This one I just put on some simple studs, a SheModern decal, and a gemstone that someone gave me. And this one is a deep burgundy red. It's really pretty. They're not fully hyperpigmented like some gels I use, but they're very nice. And the price, you can't really beat it. This one just tickled me, the name of it. It's another MOMO gel polish. Sun and Sea in My Pants, and that's the one I'm going to use right now. And I will put pictures of all three manicures at the end of the video. And I'm also going to do a little stamping and maybe show you some of my SheModern stencils. So let me get this on and cured. Well, let me show you the stencils real quick. SheModern has revised their stencils, their stencil tool. This is what it looks like now. It used to be clear with a little hollow on it. And that's number one. Number two is this set with hearts, waves, drops, circles. Number three is this set. Number four and number five, which I'm thinking of using today. And then they've come out with alphabet. You can cut each one out to spell whatever you would like. And I've also seen on there, when I was ordering these, that they have custom words. I think it's 7 letters. I'm not 100% sure, but you'll see it on there. You can custom order. You could order all the same letter, different words. I mean, Nails of Interest wouldn't fit on there, and it wouldn't fit on my nails, so I didn't order it. There's also numbers and symbols, like you can put hashtags and all that good stuff. I'm thinking of using this one. Get it out of the little package. I already played with that one, so let me show you another one. How they come, they've got the sheet on the front, and these ones, unlike the other ones, are very clingy. They're not sticky at all, but they are vinyl. They stretch, and they go back, and you just put it right back in. And the front, I mistakenly put mine on the plastic the wrong way. The front with the name on it goes on the side. So let me put this away and get out what I'm going to do. To play with this one because I just thought this looks like a beehive, like a honeycomb, and with this yellow gel polish. I'm going to show you 2 different ways to apply these like I used to apply the other stencils. See, I put it in there wrong, so it's going to stick if you put it in there without the plastic being near the plastic. See, these are very flexible. I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can apply it just like I did my old ones. Get the gel polish on. Again, I'm using Sun and Sea in My Pants. Yes, Val, that's the name of the gel polish. It's going to take at least 2 coats because this is a semi-sheer, but I do like semi-sheers. I'm just that way. I like them like this. I might even only do 1 coat. I don't know yet. Sorry, tilting the hands this way. Don't want to touch that cuticle. I've done it before. You'll have to pick it off, or you might get lifting if you do. Just try to wipe it off before you get it, as soon as possible, definitely before you get it in the lamp. Okay, that's one coat. Let me give that a cure. Okay, let's go for coat number 2. Coat number 2 a cure. Okay, that's how it looks with 2 coats. I went ahead and top coated it and took a picture, so I'll insert that in the video. Now on to a little artwork. I have on my stamper, my Model 1 stamper, just a little bee image off of a plate that I have, the little bee. I scraped it with my Model 1 scraper. This does work very, very nice. I'm not used to the thick ones, but it works very, very nice. So, what I'm going to use now is the SheModern glue gel. This stuff is like foil glue. Wherever you'd use that at, you can use this. You just have to cure this first. So I'm thinking to use the stencil on one nail and the image on another nail, so that you can really see these colors. Now I'll put all the pictures up at the end of the video. I really don't need to cover the whole nail with this, but just to make it smooth without worrying about making my top coat perfect, we'll do that. Let me cure this 30 seconds in my lamp. Okay, it's all cured. So those 2 nails are very, very sticky right now. So I've got the brown pearlescent glitter from SheModern. Put a little something down to catch it just in case. Okay, now you have to peel it off gently, gently, gently. If you've used it before, you may want to double check that there's nothing on the back. And I'm trying to think which finger I want to put this on. I think I can go with a big finger. The glue gel is super, super, super sticky. So lay it how you want. You don't have to do the whole nail if you don't want. I'm thinking about going for it. I just got the curved end of a tool. Flatten it like any nail vinyl you would flatten against your skin. This just doesn't have a sticky layer on the back. You make your own sticky layer, just like the original SheModern stencils that you may have seen me use before. It's been quite a while. I believe this summer was the last time I used it because they stopped selling them. I hear that they're coming back with some of them, so I'm quite pleased. So this is way 1 to use this. This is the pigment, not the glitter this time. I just thought it looked like a honeycomb. It doesn't take much at all. They do have glitters in this color as well. Maybe I did get the glitter. No, I got the shimmer. It's just a shimmery pigment. It's really something. Till you've seen it in person, it's really hard to tell. Now this would be the harder way to do this. And SheModern does suggest now that you put your binding powder, some people's will be labeled as magic powder, over the top. But I'm gonna try it the way I used to do it and see. Because why not? Experiment a little bit. Turn your finger upside down. Peel it off. You got a little honeycomb. Make sure that the back is clean. You could use it on your lint roller, but since I've used gel, I would spray it with alcohol and then wipe it down good. But I don't actually see anything, so I'm going to show you the other way that I used to do this. See, this side's dirty, but since I'm not using this side, it's okay. Lay it down, flush. Pigments or glitters, whatever you wish, right over top. I'm just going to do a small section, and I'm thinking of taking some of it away. You don't have to, you can use your finger for this, because this stuff just washes off with water. So you don't feel your stamper sticky anymore, then you've got good coverage. Peel it off. Package that back away for safekeeping. Get out some tape and remove what you don't want. Just like when stamping. Just like with stamping, you're just stamping with powders instead. And you can actually stamp with these pigment powders right on your plate without anything else. And now the glue gel will make it even easier to do so. I've got this dirty from when I was prepping my bee earlier. You notice that bee's been sitting here this whole time, longer than you've seen because I've stopped the camera. This onto a nail with glue gel just like I did here. And stamp the image right on like so. Top coat it in, you're good to go. It's okay, this bee's been sitting here for quite a while. I've got the glue gel on. Just gonna stamp my little bee on here. Cute little instant manicure. Nothing fancy, nothing strange. I actually think I'm going to be going back to using my stamper method of applying it, especially images where I don't want to use the whole thing. I'll put pictures of, I'll top coat this in and cure it again. And I'll put pictures up at the end of the video of all the manicures I made with the Coca-Cola Red. I believe this was Blues Make Me Red. I'll put the name on the screen. And Sun, Sea, and Sand in My Pants. That is hilarious. I love the names. That's very cute. Thank you everyone for watching. Stay tuned for the pictures at the end of the video. Until next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.